I slept in today. Good morning. Hi, it's Saturday. It's Morgan. It's like 9:45. I slept in, laid in bed till like 9:15 with the pup. It was so good. I have like no plans today, which I honestly love. I have one small plan, but it's a great plan. But I wanted today to be a very just like wellness all day, motivational. Let's work out. Let's continue this amazing January we're having. Like I just wanted it to be a good, I don't know, wellness video, and I love that. Here with my Bloom. As always, every morning. I actually had a snack kind of late last night because we were watching a movie, and I never knew that anymore. So like I woke up and my stomach just like does not feel right. So hopefully Bloom is helping me. I'm gonna have it every morning regardless, as you probably know. We have a play date in like 2 hours with his brother. If you didn't know, actually, our friends adopted his brother, which is so amazing. You'll have to stay tuned for some cute puppies playing with each other. But that's not for over another 2 hours, and he's being crazy. So we need to go for a morning walk now. I've been so good about getting in a walk like way earlier in the day. I have this little activewear set on. One, because it's fitting for the video, but two, it'll make me productive. It'll make me want to work out earlier in the day. I'm just setting myself up for success. This is just an Amazon one. I actually really love the leggings. This shirt is just fine. It's actually kind of tight on my arms. It's freezing out, so this isn't gonna cut it. It's so cold that if I don't cover my headphones with either a hood or a hat, they will literally turn off because they die because it's so cold out. Wisconsin. I'm already in like such a good mood today that I'm so excited for this coffee. Oh my god, it's just gonna make everything so much better. Seriously though, I used to be someone who would like go on walks, but not till later in the day. Lately, I've been actually going on them within the first half an hour that I wake up. Highly recommend. Like it's just good to get moving, and I'm not an early workout girl. One day maybe, but like I'm just not, and I just never have been. And that's seriously so good. Oh my god. I literally look forward to my morning coffee starting the night before. Like I will have dinner, I'll work out, and then I'm like, wow, I can't wait to wake up and have coffee. I'm not even kidding you. My area is clean. I got my greens in. I went for a walk. Now I'm gonna sit and enjoy this and relax on the couch with the pup. We have a little over an hour till our play date gets here. I'm wearing a cute little workout set. Everything's just aligning, you know? I'm doing the most to set my day up to be just exactly who I wanna be, right? To have a good day. I am claiming it like I'm gonna have a great day. I'm just gonna. Also, I haven't eaten breakfast yet today. I haven't like felt like putting a bowl or anything together, but I cannot stop munching on this granola. It's homemade. It is seriously so good. It was so easy to make. It's so good for you. It just looks so nice too. I love it. Oh my god, did you guys know that it was announced that they're making a Zoe 102? Isn't that wild? I'm so excited. This is by far one of my favorite shows. Okay, it's so hard. Zoe 101, Hannah Montana, Sweet Life of Zack and Cody, That's So Raven. Oh, I couldn't pick between them all. But I'm pumped, okay? Wait, also I can't forget about Drake and Josh. Oh, there's just too many good ones. It's about 3:30. The dogs literally just played together for like 3 hours. Like they were going at it. We went outside on the ice because it's just like a good area for them to run around, and why not? It's super cool. On the frozen lake when it's winter. So he is literally cashed. He's so tired. I only took footage on my phone, so I'm gonna insert some pictures and videos because it's the cutest thing ever. Duncan and Yoshi, little brothers playing together. But anyways, I am tired because we were outside for a long time. We are gonna go and pick up sushi. Unfortunately, I will not be having crab rangoon because of 75 hard, but that's okay. It's a challenge, we can do it. And the sushi I picked is like very much within my guidelines or whatever, which is great because I love sushi, and depending what you get, like it can be such a good meal. So we are gonna go pick that up. Donkey. What do you want? What did I give you, Dad? I'm so excited. Listen, I know the weather may or may not be cold, and just not fun right now, depending where you are, but do yourself a favor and get some fresh air. You need it. I've been having such a good day. Like morning walk with the dog, playing with the dogs on the ice all day. Like I've just, my body and my mind are just clear and happy. I am now in a big 12 to 30 mood. It keeps me sane, but also like 75 hard, you know? We are strong in 2023. Remember though, consistency is key. Showing up matters. The more consistent you are, the easier it is to do things, to show up, to get to where you want to be. I'm just excited to feel good. I was on the treadmill for just over an hour, just vibing, thinking, sweating, like it was good. Great sesh. Tomorrow's Sunday. Every Sunday is a rest day for me. So I did an all over body dumbbell workout after. It was a good workout day for me. I'm so tired. I feel good. I realized I didn't read my book this morning, so I just did with a little face mask because it's needed. I haven't done one in a while. Time for PJs. Okay, I've mentioned before how I love parade sleepwear, and lately I've been wearing this little like onesie thing every chance I get. Like these are my go-to jammies, and I'm so happy that I did laundry yesterday because they're clean and I get to wear them tonight. But I'm making myself a drink. I am doing dry January, aka dry January, February, half of March for 75 hard. So it's not a drink, but I put 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in water and I let them soak. And then I'm gonna throw in this liquid IV packet. I love liquid IV. When I'm not drinking so much water all the time like I have been lately, I do usually have these every single day. Right now I'm kind of having it just because it's like almost like a sweet treat. This one's technically an immune support one. Wild berry flavor. But like on TikTok, the big trend, this may have even been like a year ago, was lemon water with chia seeds, like right when you wake up in the morning. But instead of lemon water, I think it's so much better with liquid IV, and I do it at night just because I got other stuff to drink in the morning. You know, water, Bloom. I can't also do like chia, it's just hard. But I do like chia seeds. I feel like they do a good, like they're just good for you. They're great. This is my drink. I'm sure someone else on planet Earth has done it before, but I'm claiming it to be my drink because I've never seen someone do it. So chia seeds and liquid IV, that's my combo. I also have a discount code, 25% off and free shipping. That's always linked in my description box. I like this flavor a lot. It's good. Do you want to say hi? Come here, babe. I can't really pick him up because he's heavy. I mean, I can, but not like I used to. Right, baby? My baby. You're so pretty. I ordered a couple of Amazon activewear sets the other day, and they're coming in the mail tomorrow, so I'll open them. I'm gonna keep this video going because I want to show them to you, and maybe I'll do like a little Amazon activewear like actual video if you want to see them. I think I might try a few more so I can like really find out what ones are the best. I want to show you this trick that I'm most proud of that we do. Sit, stay, protect. Oh my god, that was so slow. He's usually quicker. But isn't it so cute? Like I'll tell him protect. I do have to put my hand kind of like by my side to initiate it. I don't know if he would do it without like any hand motions, but he'll like walk around me and go through my legs and like sit between them and be on the lookout. I got so many candles for Christmas. I have been lighting one every night and I forgot how like mood enhancing they actually are. So freaking soothing. Can't forget the little Laneige lip sleepy mask. Seriously, such a good product. I've been wearing this for like 3 years now. However, I need a new day chapstick. I might honestly go run and pick up like a big tub of Aquaphor tomorrow because I'm out of chapstick. My lips are suffering. You guys, I've also mentioned this before. Seriously, Brooklinen, you can't even see me. Brooklinen, so freaking worth the hype. I literally feel like I'm sleeping in like a luxury spa bed. Like I cannot even rave enough. I can't. Right, Dunky? Right, baby? And you really spend so much of your life in bed that it's like investing in my sleep. Oof. Not only getting better quality sleep, but like my actual bedding, right? I've talked about this so many times. I used to be a terrible sleeper, but it's bedtime. We'll talk in the morning. Love you. Hi, it's the next day. I've just been like hanging out with myself. We did a little Target run, just enjoying, you know, time by myself with me, spending time alone, you know, just having fun. Love to do it. I'm gonna do a little Target haul because I'm going on a big road trip this Friday, which I'm so excited. But before that, I'm actually gonna do a different little haul and show ya my new CASETiFY cases. I literally, if there's ever a brand I am so loyal to, it is CASETiFY. And like, this isn't sponsored. Ever since I started using them like 2 years ago, I've just never purchased another phone case brand, and I don't think I ever will. So they're not paying me to say this, but I don't know how it happened. But here we are. Anyways, they just came out with clear cases, which have been their most requested cases ever, for good reason. I feel like everyone loves a good clear case. Oh, also though, if you've never heard of CASETiFY, it's the world's most popular tech accessory brand. They just have like the cutest phone case designs, but everything is so protective, and honestly, I love their branding. Like, I think how they have CASETiFY around the camera lens is so cute. But so anyways, they have new clear cases. They're super durable. They're anti-yellow. They have long-lasting clarity with UV defending technology. These are just so strong. Like, look at how clean and fresh that look. You can literally see my mouth through it. Like, it looks so clean and fresh. So I have this plain clear one. They're all super strong. They have a 6-foot drop protection, tactile buttons, and don't forget you can customize them. So even their new clear ones are customizable. So I have my name right in the middle there, obviously. They're also MagSafe compatible. So they work with like any iPhone MagSafe accessories, wireless charging stations, whatnot. I also have a clear case that has a pattern on it. So my phone is black. So obviously you can see the black shine through, but I have mentioned that I want to move south, so I thought, you know, what is south? Well, cowboys are south. Cowboy boots mean south to me, right? And then I have this little charm because they have so many cute accessories, and I love it. I love that it's pearls, like it looks classy, yet it's still fun. And then I do have 2 more. I just got this very plain and simple neutral one, which is so me, and then I saw this one and I was so in love with it. I love the cloud design, but then look at what it says. Your thoughts and feelings are creating your life, which I just feel like aligns with me so much. You know, I'm like such a like mindset person and whatnot, so I'm just in love with these. This one also has the little bumpers, but I will have a code in the description for 15% off. It's linked in every video too, so if you can use that for a little discount. CASETiFY, they're the best. Anyways, like I said, I did a cute little fun Target run by myself earlier. I just got a couple random things. For example, we're staying in an Airbnb for 2 weeks and I needed regular soap for my bathroom, so I got a couple packs, and then I'm just gonna take one with me to the Airbnb. This is a mango flavor, nice. Razors, super exciting. I needed a new cleanser, and you know how Targets have Ulta inside now? I didn't have to go to Ulta, I just got this at Target. It's La Roche-Posay, just a hydrating gentle cleanser for normal to dry skin. I do tend to have dry skin, especially right now. I got a toothbrush so that I don't have to bring my electric one. Also, I already opened it. Where'd I put it? Okay, I literally have lost like every chapstick ever that I've owned the past few months. I don't know why. So I just got a little container of Aquaphor. I'm pretty pumped about it. I don't know why, like just all my chapsticks, I swear, you can't not lose your chapstick. Like it just happens to everyone. It just does. I just really wanted to do feel good, happy things in this vlog, and I feel like I did. I had such a good wholesome day yesterday. Today, I like did a little Target run by myself. Like when you're in the mood to run errands and you just go by yourself and you're just doing your own thing, like sometimes it just hits, and today it just hit and I'm really happy about it. I hope you liked this video, and I encourage you to do good things for yourself. Work out, go fill up your water bottle right now because you know you need it. Do the 12-3-30, try it out if you never had. Buy a cute new workout set. Oh, I wanted to show you the ones that came in. Oh my gosh, wait. I knew I had more to show you. I was just like sitting here rambling and I'm like, wait, there's more. Okay, so I ordered 2 sets, and then after I placed this order before they got here today, I was like, wait, I want to do a whole video. So I'm not going to try these on for you, but here are some of the brands. I literally ordered, I think like 12 different Amazon brands of activewear, and I'm going to test them all out. I want to find the best ones so that I can recommend them to you. So if you need a new activewear set, you know which one, because you never know. Sometimes like Amazon clothes or activewear in general can be all over the place. So I'm trying to just make a really helpful video, especially because like I said, on my community tab with 75 Hard, I have been going through workout clothes so fast. I just need more, and like I just can't afford to buy 5 sets from Aloe. You know, I wish I could, but like I just can't. So I got this color. Is so fun. It looks kind of weird on camera, but it's almost like a gray, green, beige kind of, I don't know. But I got leggings, and then I got a long sleeve top, which this looks so little, but I think it'll be really good. And then I also got a black set, just leggings, but I got a one shoulder sports bra, and I've never had one of these before actually. And then I got a little short set. Obviously I can't wear this right now, but a little Barbie pink moment. And this like ribbed just looks so good. I haven't tried it on yet. The shorts like look so tiny though, like little itty bitty. I don't know if they're gonna fit me, but oh my gosh, I'm literally so excited for this activewear video. You can find really good brands on Amazon. Like, I understand not all brands are eco-friendly, but there are some really great like small businesses and good brands on Amazon. So stay tuned for this video. I'm literally so excited. I think it'll go up next week from when this is posted. It's just so fun to wear a matching set. Like, you can't tell me it doesn't put you in a good mood. That's that. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not. Stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. They're gonna be so fun. Like I mentioned, I have so many plans and so many things I'm excited about. And take care of yourself. Do something good for you. Do something that makes you happy. It makes you feel good. Drink your water, and I love you. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you in my next one.